Welcome to Echoes of Ntinda, a radio documentary exploring noise pollution in this vibrant suburb located in Kampala, Uganda. I'm your host, Juliana Naigaga. Join me as I unveil to you the busy streets of Ntinda to uncover the impact of noise on its residents. Ntinda, once a quiet residential area, has transformed into a busy commercial hub over the years. With its numerous shops, restaurants, and entertainment venues, the streets are a live activity day and night. But along with this development comes the unintended consequence of noise pollution. This noise is mostly witnessed in areas with a high concentration of nightclubs, which include Bugatti, Nexus, Yog, Moogies, Aura, Top Notch, among others, contribute to that loud music which penetrates through the neighborhood well, most especially in the early hours of the morning. The effects of noise pollution aren't just limited to discomfort. Studies have shown that prolonged exposure to high levels of noise can have serious health implications, including increased stress levels, hearing loss, and even cardiovascular problems.
Linnya nze Steven Serwadda, nze chairman w'ekyalo kino kye bayita Sempagala Zone, kisangibwa mu Nakawa. Tuufu era kyamazima abantu abalinaanye ebbaala ezo bafuna sleepless nights kyekigamba nti obanga obadde okomyewo waka ozze kuwummuka ku mulimu okwoye naye ng'ate mu neighborhood waliwo ekidumu ate kusobola kwebaka bulungi.
But amidst the chaos, there are efforts being made to curb the impact of noise pollution, as one of the authorities in this community explains.
Mateeka weegali ne community meetings tuziyita ne tubuulira abantu kati ng'ab'amabaala buli lwe tubeera ne meeting tubabuulira ne tubagamba sound oba noise yandibadde at least esukka saa 6 bwe ng'abakola ekiro tukwatagana nnyo ne poliisi ne KCC.
As the day fades into night, the noise of Ntinda shows no signs of diminishing.
Kitundu kizeemu abantu bangi nnyo, kirimu business ez'enjawulo, kirimu abantu abaagala okulanga, kirimu churches nyingi nnyo, so twesanga nga emisana n'ekiro because sijagamba kiro kyokka abantu bafuna okutaddaganyizibwa amaloboozi agava mu bidongo.
But amidst the chaos, there is hope for a quiet future where residents can once again enjoy the peace of their surrounding. This has been Echoes of Ntinda, a look into the noise pollution in one of Uganda's dynamic towns. Juliana Naigaga, Y Radio, Ntinda. Thank you for listening.